Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a small business birthday card. So let's begin by mentioning a few little things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the artwork on this template are the stars, the balloons, and the social media icons. The color cannot be changed. Everything else on this template can be changed. You can change the color of the background. You can change the color of the shape here. You can change the color of the text, the size, and the font type. And that goes for all the text that you see here on the template. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. This section right here is grouped, so in order for you to ungroup it, just go to the top right and click ungroup, and you should be able to select each section on its own. This is grouped as well, just ungroup. You have your Spanish template below, and on the last page you have your social media icons that come with your purchase. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.